How much do you love coffee? The real rich stuff that you get in authentic coffee shops, not that powdered instant stuff, convenient but nowhere near as good. What if it was possible to have great tasting espresso at your fingertips in the comfort of your own home? Sound like heaven? We think so. That fantastic taste, the invigorating aroma, and just in minutes for less than 10 rupees per cup. The Tecnora Espresso coffee maker fits right on the kitchen counter. It has a built-in pump for full coffee flavour extraction and is equipped with a built-in steamer to create the perfect cappuccino, a wonderful frothy hot chocolate, and even soup that is perfectly creamy. So what are you waiting for? Head on over to www.tecnora.in and get your slice of caffeine heaven today.